Friends, my name is Ratan. So we are in this video we'll think about the Python assignments. So we started Python assignments, right? I'll give the nearly 200 plus assignments. So can please check all the assignments. It improves your coding skills and what relation skills. What about this assignment means? Go to the file menu, click on new, go to the others, click on Python, click on OK. Okay. So here I want to write my assignment. What is the assignment here? Assignment. Good. Generally we have the string data. String Ratan. Some two values are there. I want to count how many number of A's are there. Just to count number of A's, simply s1 dot the count of what? A, right? s1 dot count of A. That's it. See, in this example, go to the others, click on Python, paste it here, run this code once, save the application, first.py, right? First.py. Then you can run it. How to run this code here? Local disk E, Java C, the application, oh sorry, come on here, Python, right? Python, what the file name here? First.py. You can check it. How many number of A's occurred here? 4 number of, right? But my requirement is, can please count the number of A's without using count function. That is my requirement. Count the number of A's without using count function. Hey, what is the assignment? Tell me here. Count number of A's, A occurrences without using count function. I hope the point is clear, right? My requirement is what? Count number of A's without using which function here? Count function. That's it. That is my requirement, right? To do this requirement, the very small requirement, see, you can take one count variable to increment the count value. So take the count variable. See, assume count. This is just like it seems to function, right? What you will take here? Count increment. Some variable you can take. Count increment is how much here? 0. Take the for loop. For you can take temporary variable I in. What is the iterable data here? S1, right? Good. Simply here you can check the one value. If I contains what? S1 data only, right? S1 data only repeated, character by character will be repeated. This character will be stored in what? I variable or not? If I double equal to A. So if I double equal to A means what I have to do? I have to increment the count, right? How to increment the count? Count increment equal to count. Tell me, count increment plus 1. That's it. So that's it. The value is completed. Simply you can print what? Count inc. That's it. Come on, yeah. Very small requirement. Can please count the number of A's without using count function. Without using count function is what? For I in S1. S1 I value is there. If I double equal to A, increment the count. Clear? That's it. See, some control S, run the code. How many times will get the 4 here? 2 times, right? This is by using count function. This is what? Without using count function. Okay. But some students are asking one more question here. Ratan sir, generally A is there in the 3 to 8 characters. How many times A occurrences is there? I want to calculate. To calculate this one, generally using here also 4 times, 2 times occurrences are there. But I want check the same code. Without using count function. If you want check the same code without using count function, the same point here also. What is the same point? Same code you can repeat once again. Count equals 0. But simply here instead of S1, you can give S1 of what? 3 to 8. That's it. Then how many times data is repeated here? 3 to 8. Only 3 to 8 characters will be repeated, right? Ratan sir, here you taken count equals 0. You repeated once again here count equals 0. Is there any problem in the Python? Python there is no problem, right? This is like reassigning the variables. But in Java this may be a problem. Not maybe, mandatory there is a problem. Duplicate variables, right? But in Python reassigning the variables are possible. Then what is the output? Expect output here. This is a 4, this is a 2, this is a 4, this is a 2. 4 2 4 2. Clear? So this is the output of your assignments. One guys, see, the students are asking some interview questions. Ratan sir, this is interview, ask this question. Then I maintain that the interview questions as assignments. So my assignments are nothing but your interview questions. Don't think Ratan sir created these assignments. Some assignments I am also creating, but most of the things are what from the interviews. Sir, no yaar. That's it. What is the meaning of this? What is the main intention of this assignment? Counting number of A's without using count function. Right? Don't ask what number of T's. You can give that values. Count 3 to 8 means what? S1 of 3 to 8. Clear? So good. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you want my Python videos, you can subscribe to my channel and check the Python videos. I'm trying to upload all the videos in YouTube. Okay, so I've started assignments in Python. Like that, I'll start in assignments in every course, and every day we are uploading the assignments and data. Okay, so try to subscribe to my channel and try to get the subject every day. Try to learn something. That's it. Sir, no yaar. Say today we are wake up. Today we are wake up means what? Try to get one assignment, at least 1 point before when we go to the bed. Clear? Thank guys. Thanks for watching. Can please subscribe my channel to get the more videos and like the video and comment the video. Bye.